beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I just want to thank all my subscribers for sticking with me for this long time. You guys are really my ride or dies. So we're gonna get right into it, okay? We'll start with, I guess, the pro set. So I ordered, by the way, I ordered all these things. I want to say it's not Cyber Week. It was like the end of the year sale, so right after the holidays. I ordered these two new brush sets. So the Pro palette being one of them. This is super bomb, and you're gonna see I still have the little plastic on most of them because I don't know, like I just, when I get something new, you guys, I don't really want to open it. Like I'm like one of those weird people that like would order something and then like I don't want to mess up the box. Like I'm just weird like that. But anyway, it comes with this cute little sash that you can put around you. I haven't even opened that. It's like wrapped with this plastic, and as you can see, clips like that, and then you just clip it around your waist. Yeah, that's that. So we're gonna break it down. As you can see, these are all the face brushes that it comes with. I'm gonna try my best to show you them. So this is the foundation brush. I believe this would be, this is number 3. I feel like this is kind of like a nice tulip brush. Well, not tulip, but like a powder brush for setting. It's super soft, you guys. Like I really like it. I'm gonna put that back inside there. And then this is just obviously your powder brush. Really soft, really pretty. I love it. Put the case back on it. That's actually the only one that comes with the case, to be honest with you, I guess, you know. And this is your foundation brush as well, flat foundation brush. You have a few blending brushes. This is like, I guess, the brushes you could use for blending, but I would probably use this more towards if I have a particular color that I'm trying to get in the crease. I would probably use this more for it. I also got this bomb brush. I've been looking for a brush like this. Like it's like a paint brush, but this is actually how I get my eyebrows to be so clean and precise up here. This brush is like, this brush is literally your holy grail. It really cleans up your brows like a lot easier. So I do recommend getting this brush, especially for beginners. This is a flat brush for any glitters, eyeshadows that you want to apply on the lid. That's basically what it's for. Another brush would be this kind of like blending brush. You got your like eyebrow brush, I guess. This is a really nice brush. This is for like your waterline. I was super hyped to get this. Regular eyebrow brush, as you can see, I've been using it. Liner brush. They all look the same, so it's nothing really that special. This is a bomb, like I guess you could say another brush that you can use for in your crease, but also really for underneath, for blending out shadows. This is a blending brush that I've been using. The hairs, this is I don't get why the hairs are doing that. I don't know if you can kind of see here, but I'll try my best to like watch that. And this is the other brush that I got. And then I guess these you can say are basically the same. This one is more for applying powder, and this is your contouring brush.
So on to the next.
The metallic collection, like I'm in love with these brushes. Like it's so neat. Once I saw the color too, I was just like but anyway, it's all over the place. These are actually mixed in with a few Sephora brushes, like the tiny Sephora brushes that is on the grab and goes. Like this blending brush, you guys, is my favorite. Actually, this is like my ride or die. Like I need this brush for like every look, and I'm really skeptical on like where I put that brush, because that brush is like my ride or die. I use this brush for my contour. This is the powder brush that I use. And this is my Ride or Die tulip brush. It's from e.l.f. Cosmetics, but I like love this brush so much. This is what I actually use for like right here. Just like sit back and just, darling, yes, let's get beat. Right? Nah, okay, no, okay.
2 hours later.
It's kind of heavy. This is the biggest brush set that I've ever purchased, ever. I probably wouldn't need to purchase. I think this comes with 36. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 36. Definitely gonna go with 36. This is the final one. Right. So, there's no way I'm taking out every brush. Like, you just saw what I just showed you. But I can definitely come closer to show you how it works. So, from this side, you see you have here, like, you know, more of your eyebrow. It's eyebrow comb. Same kind of like eyebrow. This is your fan brush. If you come closer, these are also like eyebrow, eyeliner. And one thing I can say is with this whole set, it breaks down everything, so it's kind of in order. Like the smaller brushes kind of come from this way and going into the bigger brushes over here. I use this blending brush just like a comparison to the Ruby Kiss one. I do like it. Definitely. I feel like the quality is a lot better than the Ruby Kiss one. And actually this color is actually still on there. This is what I use to blend this little bad boy right here. But I do feel like for the most part the quality is a lot better. So softer. I use this. Now this is the tea, you guys. I've been breaking out. You guys can't really see on the camera, but it's like right here. It's like it's not a breakout, it's more of like a rash kind of breakout, so I can't like pop them, which are the worst ones because you can't pop your pimples. It's kind of like, what's the point of them even showing? This is also a really nice brush, and they give you not only the tiny fan brush, which I like, but they also give you the big one. So here's what they look, and their brush color is brown, like a brownish red. You guys can see that, like a brownish red. It's really bomb, this one. I don't know. Some people say the lighter one just gives a little bit more glowing product. Like, well, the big one obviously applies more layer of product, I guess you would say. But some people say that the thinner fan brushes are like a lot better for that like precise glow. So I don't know, I would have to try them both out and see. So definitely if you're looking for affordable brush sets, you're starting out, I would definitely recommend going with them. I think I spent for the end of the year, I had a big sale, so I know I probably spent like 20-30 bucks for just this alone, and that's 30 something pieces of brushes. Like, that's insane. Like, insane for you to get a whole brush set for that. And I think regularly, even the normal price is like maybe 30 bucks, 30 to 40 bucks. So that's still even really affordable for 36 brush sets. Like, and it comes with everything, eye to face. Like, so thank you again for watching my channel, and I hope to see you soon. So China Girl out. Bye.